Supercharge your YouTube channel with Tubebuddy. Gain valuable insights and analytics to understand your audience better. Optimize your video tags, titles, and descriptions to rank higher in search results and get discovered by more viewers. Stay ahead of the competition by analyzing their strategies and leveraging the best practices. Save time and effort with powerful tools like bulk editing, allowing you to make changes across multiple videos at once. Test different thumbnails with A/B testing to find the most click-worthy image. Schedule your uploads in advance, so your content goes live at the perfect time to maximize views. Discover the best performing keywords in your niche to drive targeted traffic to your videos. Streamline your video workflow with features like end screens and card templates. Expand your audience, improve SEO, and grow your views and subscribers faster than ever before. Try Tubebuddy today. Click the link in the description to get started. Let's go.